What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, as you can see by the title, is going to be a boyfriend does my voiceover makeup tutorial, I guess. So this is the makeup look that I came up with. He's going to be doing a voiceover and explaining everything that I'm doing on my face. I did my best to show all the products. I'm not expecting him to know like the number of the brushes that I'm using, but I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I hope you guys enjoy this. I'm not telling him anything about the products I'm using, and he's just gonna have to guess and give it his best shot. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe so you can see all my future videos, and I'll see you guys in next week's video. Bye.
Alright, what's up you guys? First off, we're going to use this primer water, Smashbox, and we're just going to spray ourselves in the face. Oh yeah, Emily Beauty. Gonna put that on the cheeks. Cheeks first. That is how you do it. Cheeks are first always. Oh wow. Oh, that's a lot of stuff. Right before the beginning. Okay. You gotta apply some to both cheeks there. Dabbing it, dabbing it, dabbing it, dabbing it. just get it everywhere. Okay, then you add this stuff called Tarte, and after you do that, you write on your face, and you can draw whatever you like. Alright, and then you're just gonna go supersonic speed with your hand. Once it looks smooth like that, you're ready to move on to the next blend. You add underneath your eyes and above your eyes. Okay, so you should look like you're going to war. But then you gotta supersonic speed it. Alright, you blend it in real good there. And after that, you add this stuff. And that stuff is like, I believe it's like a powder, and you put the powder on your face there. Alright, so now you're gonna just get a pencil and a little brush, a little comb there, and combing your eyebrow hairs there. Just follow the lining really, like just ever so lightly brush your face there. Grab your rectangle brush. The rectangle brush. Ooh, the rectangle brush is in action there. Nice. That is always the best for the cheeks. The rectangle brush is also good for the forehead, it seems. And then, oh wow, it has multiple. Oh, look. Let's move on to the next one. The gold case. Grab the gold brush because it has to go with the gold case. It's just nice that way. And oh look at that, the rose gold brush. And then you just gotta pat that on your nose there, those two little colors, and that's blending it there. That's gonna look real nice. And oh, there's Anastasia. I knew we were there. And you get Kitty Cat there. I leave those two colors, and then you add that on the top, and it's a nice highlight. And when you add that, it looks real good. You have to add some to your nose there and above the lip. Then we're gonna move on to the eyes, and you gotta wiggle your fingers before you do this, because you gotta get your spirit fingers in there, right? And soft glam, ooh, getting glam. The eyeshadow goes on the first, like the top right corners first, and you just blend that in, and oh, that's good. That's a nice color there. Can we all guess what color that is? I believe that is the... Oh man, that's a distinct color there. That's a hard one. I believe it's pink, but I could... No? Yeah, and then gaze. And laugh. Aww. Gaze and laugh. That is good. And after that, you're just gonna blend in the corner of your eyes. Well, a lighter color, like a highlight, really. And once you're done doing that, when you blend the two together, it's gonna look real nice. And you're gonna add that rose color there on the top, and The eyeshadow really pops here. You see that it brings out the eyes. It's great. It's really great. Get forever young and put that underneath your eyes there and underneath your eyebrows. Once you put it underneath both your eyes and your eyebrows, it just really lightens everything up. That stuff, that is level C 1000 pencil. Look how big that is. That is so huge. That is a big old pencil. That's what it says. Real tiny at the bottom. Big old pencil. That is medium pencil. So then we're gonna get some scissors, but these aren't like any scissors. These are like weird mouth scissors that look like a robot mouth. And grab your littler brush and go underneath your eyes one more time with the cherry color. I believe that's a cherry color, like dark cherries, like the ones with seeds. But then you're just gonna rub that on the underneath area of your eye. Oh, last but not least, the all-nighter. Oh, we're gonna spray that on our face to end with. Sprayed some stuff to begin with, sprayed some stuff to end with. Oh, yeah. Okay, that's gonna keep going all night. Then Total Temptation, gonna add that to the bottom. First of your eyelash and then to the top. After we add that too, it's gonna lighten it up real nice there. And then after that, you're going to also rub it on your eyebrows too, because you can rub it on your eyebrows and on your eyelashes. Both of them are okay. Both brushes. I think it might be a different brush because we grabbed a different one, but that's okay. And then we're going to grab their lashes. So we're adding these lashes now because dang, like those eyes be popping. Them brown eyes. Wow, I'm shook. And to put on the lashes, you could just grab those little tweezers there. I'm sure there's like a whole video on how to do them. It's kind of hard, but once you put them on, oh, it brightens everything up completely. And then we're just gonna add a little bit of the lipstick to our lips here, and follow the bottom and go on to the top. The littlest brush in your arsenal will be the easiest brush to follow outlining and fix everything up to where it looks real nice here. And that brush, I'm not sure what number it is. I think it's a level 7. Alright, and then at the end of it, we're just gonna, ooh, smile. Look at the job we've done. It's beautiful. It's great. Isn't she gorgeous? Oh, also subscribe. Thank you. This has been fun. I'm Joey. Peace out.